Hi Aries, Sun, Moon, Rising and Venus. Welcome back to your Twin Flame and Soulmate Connection Energy reading for end of January 2021 with me, Ivy, Spiritual Messages and Tarot. If you're new to the channel, welcome, and if this message resonates with you, I will really appreciate your support by clicking subscribe and hit the notification bell. Without further ado, let's get into your reading. Okay Aries, so let's look at into your energy and your person energy from now until end of January 2021. Also Aries, please know that this is a collective general energy reading, therefore it may or may not resonate with every single one of you out there. If this message does not resonate with you Aries, please consider checking your moon, your rising or your Venus sign. And if this message resonates with you, don't forget to hit that like, share and leave a comment in the comment section. By doing so, you will be eligible for free monthly giveaway readings, which I'll be doing towards the end of the month every month. Okay, so let's look into your reading here, Aries. Okay, so on this side will be your energy and on this side will be your person energy. Let me move this. Okay, so on this side will be your energy Aries and on this side will be your person energy, but again due to this is a collective general energy reading, the roles or the energy can be interchangeable or vice versa. Now looking at the sign that I'm getting here, I'm getting a very strong fire sign, Aries, Leo and Sagittarius. I'm getting a very strong Leo energy coming up here. I'm also getting a very strong earth sign coming up here for you Aries, Taurus, Virgo or Capricorn. Taurus, Virgo or Capricorn. So you could have any of those signs strongly in your chart, or your person could have any of those signs strongly in their chart as well. Now it's quite interesting because I've got the sun coming up for you twice here Aries. So I feel like from now until the end of the January 2021 here is going to be a massive progress, a massive shift that is actually going to happen in your life and in your personal life here Aries, especially with this sun coming up twice here. You're definitely going to finally hear from your person. Some of you here finally going to come into the union as well. So let's look at it one by one. So let's start with your energy first here. Now from your energy here Aries, I've got the 9 of Cups, I've got the 8 of Pentacles, and then I've also got the 6 of Pentacles coming up here. So it's a good energy coming up for you here Aries, especially with the 6 of Pentacles energy, because this is talking about balance mentally as well as emotionally. So I do understand how long you've been waiting with this separation and how much of pain and how much challenges that you have faced here within yourself from the moment that this separation happened. And sometime here Aries, especially looking back into the previous years 2020 as well as the years before that here, you have been really in a quite bad shape I would say here Aries. Like you're just feeling unbalanced, you just like your emotion is all over the place and you are feeling anxiety, frustration, irritation, and all you could feel at that time was just like sadness, all over sadness in your life here. But moving forward into the year of 2021 here, at least from the beginning of the year of 2021, this month January, and moving forward into throughout the year of 2021 here Aries, you're going to be more balanced and more stable when it comes into your emotion, when it comes into your mentality here. So it's like you're finally coming up to this particular realization that you know the union between you and your person is going to happen. There is nothing can deny that here, but what you're going to focus here is that on how to build yourself, on how to focus all this energy upon yourself here Aries. And this is why I've also got the 8 of Pentacles coming up here. So this is basically a sign that you have been trying to put all this emotional pain and emotional trauma from the past year to rest. You finally have gone through a lot of healing, massive healing and massive transformation here Aries. And with this 8 of Pentacles, you have come to this particular decision that all you're going to be focusing on from now is that yourself here, your energy, your career, your finances, on how to rebuild your life here, because you felt that with all those sadness, with all those challenges, emotional turmoil and emotional pain that you have been facing all this time here, is finally to step up. It's finally to reset the boundaries and reset your life here Aries. So definitely a very good energy coming up here. This is why I've also got the 9 of Cups coming up here as well. this year, especially this month, by the time that we get into the end of January 2021, here you're basically going to get all that you've been dreaming here, like all your dream, all your wishful thinking, all your wishes are finally coming up into fruition, your dreams coming up true here, Aries. So this is definitely a wonderful energy, especially the Nine of Cups. You can see here someone is just like so happy, like after finding a massive treasure here. So that is how you will be behaving with all those happiness here, Aries. So have faith and do not ever doubt on your manifestation energy here. And that's why the overall energy that I've got here is that I've got the Sun card, and then I've got the Nine of Pentacles. So as you can see here, this is how you was before, like all this previous year, like you just like locking yourself inside the room and crying and crying and crying, or just like feeling bad upon yourself, a lot of blaming, a lot of insecurities, guilty, like a lot of negative thought, negative energy, negative mindsets are upon you, Aries, or were upon you here, I mean in the past. And now coming up into the year of 2020, and you finally realizing that you have that golden key, you have that ticket out of all this misery, out of all this emotional pain and emotional trauma within yourself here. And this is what you do, you finally took that key and opened up the door here, and finally, like, this is the time that you finally step outside of all this box, step outside of all this limited self-belief, limited all this negative mindset, all this all this negative energy within yourself here. And this is finally, like as you can see here, like someone who just finally feel the summer for the first time. So that's how I'm getting your energy, a lot of energy, like a lot of energetically fun, happiness, like very powerful energy, I would say, here coming up for you, Aries. So keep it up. Now let's look at into your person energy. And I've also got the Sun card, like I mentioned in the beginning here. So your person is also going through a massive self-realization here, I would say. Now I've got the Knight of Wands, the Four of Wands, and the Ten of Wands coming up here. So let's start with this Ten of Wands energy, and the overall energy I've got here is the World Tree. Now your person here, Aries, have been going through a lot of ego energy, especially with this Knight of Wands coming up here. In the past, they had a lot of ego, like all they can think or all they can prioritize within themselves here is that their ego. What is it they want out of themselves here? Like all those energies what within themselves here. Now this is what making them feeling overwhelmed and feeling overburdened, I would say here, Aries. Now with this World energy, all this ego, all this ego, self-entitlement, I would say here, everything that is basically making them feeling drained, feeling overwhelmed, they're finally going to release that down, which is why this work is basically talking about a completion of a cycle. A completion of a cycle is coming up within both of your energy here, Aries. So what kind of a completion of a cycle that I'm getting here is that this is finally the completion or the end of this running and chasing dynamic between both of you here, Aries. And they're finally coming up towards you here. As you can see here, they are riding out the horse to come and meet you, to come and see you here, Aries. So this is what they are literally going to do. They are literally going to travel and to come and see you here. Like they are literally going to visit you here, Aries. So expect some sort of like surprise visit, I would say, here from your person. And the moment that your person visit you, Aries, like the moment that both of you are meeting up towards each other here, you're going to see a lot of changes within themselves, I would say here, especially from them, when in the past they never realized the true power of this connection. They've never realized like what kind of connection that both of you have here, and they always like trying to deny and trying to try to like keep on running here. But this Four of Wands energy, this is another confirmation that yes, both of you have a very strong twin flame connection, and yes, both of you are definitely going to be together 100%. Like there is no denying that. Now this Four of Wands energy is also coming up from their realization. Now they might not know about the label that both of you have. They might not know that both of you have a twin flame connection, a soulmate connection, divine counterpart, and all those stuff. They might not know about this, but they know that you are their destination. They just know that they are supposed to be with you. Like they just know it here. So that kind of energy is what I'm getting from them here. Like they finally come to their realization that you are the one, and they are going to win you no matter what. That kind of energy is what I'm getting from your person here, Aries. And this is why I've got the Sun card coming up here as well. So after all these challenges, after all like this painful separation, after a lot of going back and forth energy, running and chasing here, you're finally going to get the wish that you deserve here, Aries, which is both of your union coming up here. So congratulations, and don't forget to update me in the comment section as well. So that's it for your reading. I hope it resonates. Thank you so much for tuning in. If this message resonates with you, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. I'll see you in the next video. Have a good day, stay safe, and be blessed. Bye bye.